you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Before you came here?
No, they was just playing around with it and
At the grill?
that motherfucker just made
Ain't hitting hard.
finna get ready to go to the base meet and shit.
And over there on Summer Tree.
Yeah.
You blew up before the Crazy Hobby show?
I was finna go, but
Hey,
I
man.
wasn't finna go to that show.
It was another meet.
It was another meet, yeah.
Nah, wait, shit though.
Hey,
What size on the 18?
hey, I got 618.
It's hell, man, and low in the north.
Yeah, man, that motherfucker. Yeah, it's in the back. Always in the back.
You gotta drop that off at Jerry, see?
Yeah, you already know.
Yeah, tell you. All right, good to see you, bro. Yes, sir. How you doing, man?
No, it's
What's
Kev,
going
man.
on, man?
What's up, dude?
What you got in here, man?
Man, I've got 415 DTX V2. Took that box, AK. Strap, half hole.
I could look around and make sure I was looking at the right video. How you get all that in here, man?
That's JC.
Oh, yeah, okay. When I looked at it, I seen how clean it was. I knew what I was looking at.
And we love it.
Ooh, that's clean. Ooh, that's some clean work right there.
See the back of it?
Yeah. And you got it lit up in there. That's crazy. Man, you ain't even got a plan that looks so good, man.
Well, let's play it.
Let's do it.
Y'all show fucking midgets, clear pole blocks, I get it. I'm a pilot.
How you keeping it? What's going on here that's not moving? What you got going on up
Well,
there?
we put 2 layers of 120
Okay,
on there. The
they're
whole
dead there.
inside of the car, yeah.
That's
the-
solid.
That's the original headliner right there. There's nothing, no wood or anything in
Yeah,
it.
and it just it's stiff.
Big stiff.
Everything was done at Cortez.
Yep.
It was some good work, man.
And it's beautiful.
It is. Ooh, that thing look good back there, man. Flatline enclosures, I see.
Yep.
They do some good ones too.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Yeah.
We was real pleased with it. That's a 6-door.
Yeah, yeah. I seen it back there. I said, ain't no way. I was thinking there was something smaller than this.
It plays good. 22 all the way up to about
15, right? Let them know where they can find you at, man. On social media.
Can't remember.
I'm sure
My
that.
son does that stuff for me, so.
Okay, well I'm sure they'll know the bill when I put it online
Yeah,
and stuff
yeah,
like that.
it's
I tag Jonathan.
We got a TikTok. It's DTXB or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I might be following it already. I'm gonna try to find it on there and tag y'all.
All right, man.
Man,
Thank
it was good seeing you, man.
Appreciate it.
Are y'all gonna be at another show?
you. Yeah, there's one coming up in West Monroe, Louisiana, on the 8th of November. And as far as that,
I need to get
Where
back
you
down.
from?
I'm from Jackson, Tennessee. It's,
Okay.
It's in between Memphis
I
and
know where
Nashville.
it's at. Yeah.
You know where it's at?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, man. We'll do it again, bro.
All right, man.
All right, thank you. That's clean in there. There you go. Thank you. That's clean. What's going on, man?
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.